Today I made some albondigas con fideo, and this was so perfect because I did not have a lot of time to make dinner, and this came together so fast. It was super delicious. Let me show you how I made it. I have some ground beef here, and then I'm gonna season it with onion powder, garlic powder, some cumin, and some onion flakes, and also some total seasoning. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of some rice, 1 egg, and some cilantro. I'm gonna mix that up, and once it's all mixed in together, I'm going to start making my meatballs. I'm making mine small, but you can make them as big or small as you like. I actually like the small ones. I believe it was perfect for these albondigas. For my sauce, I'm going to add some Roma tomato along with a piece of onion and some garlic cloves. Also 1 chile chipotle and some chicken and tomato knorr. Also adding in some water. Give that a good blend and then set that aside. In my pan, I'm adding some olive oil. I'm going to strain my sauce right into my pan. You don't have to strain yours, but I always like to do that. I'm going to give that a quick mix. I'm going to add about 4 cups of chicken broth. If you don't have this, you can just add water, but chicken broth gives it great flavor. And about a tablespoon of tomato knorr. Give that a quick mix. I'm going to drop my meatballs right in there. And while those are boiling and cooking, I'm going to brown my fideo. I didn't use the whole bag. I left a little bit of it, about 1/4 of it. Once it has browned, this is going to go into the meatball mixture. And then I'm going to give that a quick mix. And I'm also going to add in here diced carrots, some diced squash, and some diced potatoes. Give that another quick mix, keeping your heat on a low. I'm going to also add some cilantro. Cover this and let this cook for about 10-15 minutes. And that's it. These albondigas con fideo, they are done. And I don't know, but this was so delicious. And you can serve it up with some corn tortillas. I didn't make any this time, but of course homemade is better. I just used store-bought, and look how delicious these look. Wow. All my family loved this dish. I just added a little bit of limon. There's my tortilla, and now it's time to dig in. This is a super easy meal, and it's complete. You don't need nothing else to go with it. Save this recipe. You're definitely going to want to make this on a lazy day. It was perfect. Enjoy.